There we go. Hey guys, what's going on? I currently woke up and it's like almost afternoon. By that I mean, let me see. Okay Google, what time is it?
It's 11:57.
Yeah, so it's pretty much afternoon. I haven't vlogged in a very long time, and I'm vlogging on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, so me looking at the camera could be wrong. I think it's right over here. Anyways, I've been eating like shit because of the Christmas holidays and all that shit, so I just went to the gym once. Good news is I lost 4 pounds and 1 point something% of body fat, so which is good. I feel great. I don't really feel fat. My stomach did decrease a lot. From here you can probably see it, but the good news is I feel great. Like a little bit of my fat on my face went away. I'm 183 pounds right now. My goal is to be 155, like 152 in the morning, but 155 throughout the day. That wouldn't matter to me, which was my body weight 2 years ago, and I was at 10% body fat. So those kind of things are very important. And if you guys haven't noticed already, I got myself a nice painting right there. Love it. I actually went to those fancy, art galleries, and I purchased that in Cyber Monday. Yeah, so I got that before work of arts now. As you can see, I'm currently wearing my gym clothes. It's -6, feels like -10, so I really don't want to go to the gym, but I have to go to the gym. I gotta get this workout in. Since I didn't go to work today, I'm gonna probably spend an hour, 45 minutes to an hour on a back workout. It's a very old back workout that I had. This is what it is. Let me just go here so I can pull it up right here. Actually, no, I need a better spot. I will go right here. Yeah, so that's my back workout, as you guys can see. So that's what I did, and I used to do this workout a lot. I feel like this is like a fitness workout vlog, but anyways, fitness is a big part of my life. It's something that gets me. I'm so sorry if I'm not looking at the camera right. Okay, I'm gonna just focus there. All right. Okay, fitness is a huge part of my life. It's something that, the moment when I started losing weight and I started getting fit, or even like a little bit close to it, my motivation, my energy in terms of how I perform at work and my social life, my relationship, and pretty much everything, it just goes, higher and higher. And that's the reason why, I was able to build my own startup, Saboom.com, and I was able to be successful, things like that. Yeah, man, so it's very important. I'm gonna go get myself a nice back workout in. I currently gonna have. Let me show you what I'm actually drinking. All right, so over here I have all the stuff that I use for my fitness life. So let's open this up. All right, so I only have a protein shake if I do not eat food in the next 20 minutes to 30 minutes tops. Protein shake helps a lot in that. However, if I'm eating food right after my workout, I don't drink my protein shake. A lot of beginners who are in fitness, they think that they have to drink a protein shake, and then 15-20 minutes later after that, they're gonna go eat their chicken breast and a little bit of rice and all that stuff. But what you do when you do those two things under 1 hour is you end up going to the washroom, and then you deposit your protein. So because you intake a lot of protein, so make sure you even that part out. A lot of people make this mistake. So I started doing it this year, actually. Not this year. I started doing this time. So therefore, today, since I'm at home and I didn't go to work, I'm gonna have my protein shake right after my workout. That way I can chill out, relax, do some computer work stuff, and then if I get hungry, I'll go eat my food. Okay, now I have the BCAA. Yeah, BCAA Matrix. It's very good. It's good to drink this during your workout. So, oh my God, so bad. Okay, this is really good to drink this while you're doing your workout. So, have a big shaker with you and drink this while you're working out. Most likely on your second workout, when your body gets used to it, keep drinking it. That way the next day you don't feel in pain or sore that much compared to not having this. So I only do this when I have an intense workout. Today I might drink this. I don't know, depends how I feel. The bad thing about this is you do feel bloated, therefore your workout feels like you haven't lost, like you haven't burned calories and fat and shit, but you actually did. It just makes you feel bloated, but feeling bloated is better than feeling like you ate a lot of fat, I guess. I don't know. This is my pre-workout. It's right here. It's brand new. I've never used this product before. By the way, this whole thing is not a sponsorship video. I'm just showing you guys what I take. So if you guys want to take it, go ahead. If not, whatever. This is good. With me, when it comes to pre-workout, man, I don't get that. I no longer get that spark feeling anymore. So I have to take a lot of pre-workouts to make sure that I took like 40 shots of espresso. So which is very rare for me. And my body can take more than like 3-4 scoops. So yeah, that's very important. And also, actually, matter of fact, if you have this, if you have your pre-workout, 2 scoops, and then you go to the gym, and then you start drinking this with your workout, it doesn't decrease your pre-workout, it actually makes it go up, 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 up. So I hope that's good for you. When I eat food, this is very important. You don't have to buy it from Amazon, but this is from, you don't have to buy it from GNC. It's actually from GNC right now. It's a CLA pills. You gotta take 3 pills per meal. So 3 pills for breakfast, 3 pills for lunch, 3 pills for dinner. When you eat this after your meal, not snacks, just main meals like lunch, breakfast, dinner, it pretty much, destroys the fat of that meal that you just had. So it's pretty good. A lot of people use it. A lot of YouTube fitness people that you guys follow, bodybuilders and things like that. Okay, this, I'm not exactly sure what this does. This is not a creatine, but I know it says that, but this actually helps you dense your muscle. Some shit like that. I don't know, like fucking YouTube it. Like the guy explained it to me properly, or probably he just sold it to me because he needed to sell money. But actually, I think it's pretty good. I don't use it that much though. It smells like shit. Okay, one important thing that I use a lot, it's this right here. I know this is another GNC brand, but sorry about that. But it's called Extreme Ripped Vita Pack. There's one for men, one for women. Good thing about this is it gives you you get a whole bunch of shit with it. You get 3 CLA pills, 2 vitamins, 2 pre-workout pills, and 1 pill that's good for water weight loss. So you take that shit in the morning before you, when you drink your coffee in the morning or whatever you drink in the morning, you take that pill throughout the next, 10 hours. It will make you want to drink a lot of water and you'll pee a lot of your water weight of that day, which is very important. So for your breakfast, we'll have 1 CLA pill and 1 vitamin. So when you finish your meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner, you pop those. And it has 2 pre-workout meal. And the best thing about this, I swear to God, this is not a brand sponsorship. I'm not a brand ambassador of GNC. It's just in Toronto, GNC is a very popular brand for nutrition, fitness, and shit like that. If you live in Toronto or even in the GTA, you know what I mean. There's also Popeyes and unknown nutrition shops in the mall and other places. Check those places out as well if you want to. But GNC has discount membership. If you're part of Good Life Fitness, GNC, you can get a discount on GNC. Shit like that, man. So anyways, good thing about the Extreme Ripped Vita Pack by GNC is these individual pills that go in here. So this is the pre-workout pill, and that's how it looks like. I don't really take it much. It doesn't do any effect for me. What you get in these pills, if you want to buy them separately, they're fucking expensive. I think this was like $60, okay? And the pills that you get inside here is you get a box, and I think there's 30 pills or something, which will last for you for a month. It's $70. So, and if you try to go buy, vitamin pills individually and all this stuff, imagine having these sizes of pills. You gotta carry them with you. You have to have it in your car or in your bag or in your house. It's so annoying, and you gotta sort them out. That's why all you gotta do is pay $70 a month and get this shit. Pretty much saves you, man. By the way, guys, look, the things that I buy for my fitness, it's not recommended for someone who just started out because it's part of their 2019 New Year resolution bullshit, which I personally don't believe in. For me, my New Year's is on my birthday, which is April 27th. That's when I compare my old 2018 stuff and a little bit of 2019 stuff. And I want to make it better, how much have I grown, how much have I become successful, how much have I become healthier, and all those kind of things, right? So April 27th is my New Year. But getting back to these things here, if you're really not into fitness and you don't understand fitness, do not take these except the protein shake. That's very common and it's very easy to use. Just 2 scoops after your workout, drink it, you're good to go. Yeah, so pre-workout is very common. There's a lot of pre-workout out there, so try whichever one works for you. So if you're just into fitness, don't spend a lot of money into these things. You don't need to worry about it right now. The reason why I do it is because, you know, I know how to get back into shape. I know how to lose weight. I know what pills to take. I'm comfortable spending this kind of money into it. And I'm very serious into it. And I do my diets and all that shit. Fitness is not just about paying $50 a month at a gym and that's you're going to get your body. There's actually a lot of shit behind the scenes in order to get that 6-pack abs, in order to lose that body fat, in order to get those muscles, those gains. There's a lot of shit that goes behind than just going to the gym. Like, you need to buy your vitamins, you need to buy your CLA pills, you got your powder, like your pre-workout powders, your fucking protein shakes and BCAA, your hardcore diet. That costs a lot of fucking money, and that's why you see a lot of, you know, famous YouTubers doing it properly, even though half of them take steroids, but there are ones that don't, and one is called Christian Guzman and Steve Cook. Those guys I really believe, and also Max, yeah. They really do a good job in terms of fitness and they explain it well. If you guys want to check them out, description of their links are in below. They are dominating YouTube, by the way. Yeah, man, so I hope 2019 you guys are able to lose weight. I hope this, my feedback, I guess, in fitness has helped you out. If you got any question, trust me, dog, just comment below and I will give you the answer as possible. Yeah, so far I lost, I think, 4 pounds. I have a Fitbit scale that I bought like many years ago. You know, it comes with an app. I can you know, download the app on my phone. And let me actually show you the Fitbit scale. So yo, this is the Fitbit scale. This is how it looks like. I'm not sure if this is the latest generation or not, but yeah, it says Fitbit right there. And this is how the back looks like. Pretty lit. Good thing about this is you can actually register your own name and it will record your information. So if you're checking your weight bi-weekly, it will record it. It comes with an app which you can download on your iPhone or Android. I did that and I set my goal as 152. I started using this a month ago or so, and I started off with 188 with 188 pounds with 27 point something % body fat. It has decreased. Now I'm at 182 or 183 with 26 or 25% body fat. I could be wrong, but you know what? Let me show you a screenshot of this. Yeah, so as you guys can see over here, that's what it is. I try to zoom in as much as possible so you guys can see it. I do want to lose weight, not because it's my 2019 goal shit, but it's just because like I said before, fitness and losing weight and being active is a big part of my life, is a big part of my energy and my mental thought or whatnot. In terms of my progress goes, I would not be like vlogging every single week. I don't think so, because I don't really have nothing to vlog about. I'm not really traveling to crazy places right now. It's literally just work, lunchtime gym, after work gym again, and then home, client projects, the boom, and pretty much shit like that. But if you're into that kind of a system and you want me to vlog those kind of things, I don't mind it. And yeah, man, so the Fitbit scale is good. If you want to buy it, go ahead and buy it. You can buy it on the Apple Store. It's not a paid sponsorship, by the way. Or you can buy any sorts of scale and measure it yourself. These new digital scales are pretty lit because they record your shit. And so if I were to weigh myself today and my older brother comes in and he weighs himself, this will automatically detect the fact that that is not me. So therefore it's not gonna mess up your system. Like my uncle and my mom checked their weight yesterday, so yeah, man, that pretty much worked out. My pre-workout is done. I'm gonna go to the gym, get some nice back workout. Okay, just finished working out, had to go live near my house, getting into my car. Oh boy, it's cold, eh? So, workout was great. The reason why I'm shooting this part here is so you guys know that I went to the gym and I didn't just bullshit and I didn't just record my video at my house and pretty much faked everything. I gotta turn this music off. I had a good back workout. To be honest, based on my back workout schedule, I didn't do pull-ups and I didn't do push-ups. I suck at doing pull-ups. I think over a week ago, close to 2 weeks, I did 2 pull-ups, and I did my first pull-up twice, and then second pull-up I did it after like 5-6 minutes later. My body's still very heavy. In order for me to, I'm looking at the wrong place. Okay, so my body is still heavy in order for me to do pull-ups successfully. And when I did do my pull-ups, I didn't use any beginner, what do you call it? I didn't use any beginner, you know that assist chair thing that helps you lift up. I didn't do that. I just did it like, the way you're supposed to do it. Holy shit, some guy's like speeding on a parking lot. I don't know what he's trying to prove. But yeah, yo, so I did that, and then after that, when I finished my weights with my back workout, I did 30-minute cardio. So I feel great. I'm gonna go home, and I'm gonna show you guys how I make my protein shake, and I call it the Dream Shake. Okay, so this is what you need. You need ice cubes, banana, your protein powder, whatever you have. You need honey and coffee. It doesn't matter which coffee, it needs to be. It's whatever you drink. This is from Starbucks, Pike. Not a brand ambassador, once again. And you gotta put that into your blender. I use the Ninja. Let me see if I can do this. First, you need banana. There you go. Second, you need ice cubes. Bang. I put 3 ice cubes, by the way, if you can see. See that? Then you need your protein powder. There you go. I put 2 scoops of protein powder. And now you need your coffee. There you go. I think I put a lot, but anyways, I think it's about 1 spoon of coffee. And now you need your honey. This is a good amount. There you go. Let you just, sprinkle it around. And now mix this bad boy with water. I am gonna go get my filter water. Can never go wrong with filter. Don't put too much, I guess. I think this is a good amount. Amazing. I taste a little bit of banana. I taste a little bit of coffee. Because of the fact that I've added coffee, this wakes me up and tastes delicious. That's 100 times better than just putting in water and drinking your protein shake. When it comes to drinking your protein shake, have it however you want. The only thing I would recommend is do not add a lot of protein on top of your protein scoops. Then you're gonna end up going to the washroom and taking a big, if you know what I'm saying. So don't be that guy. 2 scoops is good enough for me. I'm sure it will be good enough for you. Do not go beyond 2 scoops just because you had the world's best workout. Yeah, and I hope you enjoy your losing weight 2019 goal for fitness. So for lunch and dinner, I guess, I'm having this. My mom came over yesterday, and then she brought a ton of food, so I'm just gonna eat that instead of cooking my own, save money that way. So this is fish, this is meat, this is kebab, this like brown food, looks delicious, and this is biryani. That's how you supposed to say it. But yeah, I know it's a lot of rice, I guess, but this is my carb for the day. And for water, I'm going to have this guy right here, which is soda water. I'm going to enjoy my meal and watch Friends. Bang. Wow. Alright, next clip. Next. And when I'm done eating, I'm gonna take my CLA pills. So, yeah. And this is what it does. So take a screenshot and read it. There's 60 in there, but I'm not gonna buy this anymore. I'm just gonna go back to my Vita pack. So it says that you gotta take right here. It's like the English right here. Where is it? It says right here, you gotta take 3 to 5 pills daily with a meal. That's a lot. That is a lot because you're given like 60 and then they want you to have 3 to 5. That shit's not happening. So I'm just gonna go back to VitaPack because this right here costs $60. And I think it's the way to, for you to quickly finish your pills so you can quickly buy more, which is a ripoff. So I'm not gonna do that anymore. I know this video is completely different. It's not about UX design. I feel like when I vlog, I don't wanna talk about UX design. I just wanna talk about me, what I do, aside from UX design and work. And this is the type of shit that I do. I hope you guys like it. If you do like it, give it a thumbs up. And also let me know what your plans are for 2019. What is your goal? Is it losing weight? Is it focusing more on work? Yeah, man, let me know. Please comment below. I have already shared mine, so please share yours. Yeah, I think that's it. If we're going to the gym today, have a great workout, man. And see you guys next time.